surprise. Ingredients we need are little milk, some cashew nuts, a cup of sugar, roasted vermicelli, and raisin, and some milkmaid. Yum yum. So let's get into the kitchen. We have added 6 cups of water. So the water is boiled, let's add some vermicelli. So we have added vermicelli inside. Now let's mix it. Now let's add milk. Now let's mix everything. Milk is little boy, so let's add the sugar. Now let's add some milkmaid. Let's mix it. Now in a pan, let's put some ghee. Let's add some cashew nuts. Now I added some cashew nuts and raisins. Now let's mix it. Our paisam is ready. Nice smell. So our paisam is ready. Wait, I told you that surprise. Yeah, the surprise is like I'm going to give whoever helps me in this apartment, like who takes waste and like the securities. So I'm going to give them. Let's just pour it to this glass. Let's give this. Come, let's go.
Thank you. कॉफी नहीं वो सेवई की बनाई थी सेवई सेवई
Forget to try out my recipe. Plus like, share, subscribe. Asha